Hey everyone, I'm slowly making some progress on the Husqvarna here to get some wiring to the back. I really only got to bring back 3 wires, but I will bring back a ground wire as well. As you can see, I got the rear fender off, and I made an interesting discovery. I've got a gas gauge right here in the top of my fuel tank. So I'm going to clean off the tank with some water. I'm not going to use the pressure washer. They're almost winterized now. I haven't used them in a few weeks. I haven't used the gas one at all this year. Just mainly been using the little electric one. But anyways, I'm going to get this cleaned off and we'll unhook these wires and we'll see if I can make that gauge work. I would assume it's just you touch the two together and it makes the connection, and the light on the dash should come on, signifying it being low on fuel. Or I'll try and pull the sender out and see if it's stuck, or see what's wrong with it and try and make it work. So one thing I hate about these style tanks, it's sometimes hard to tell how much fuel you actually have in these tanks. So when you're looking in through the back here, sure, you can see the gas, but it's kind of hard to tell exactly how much you have in there. And I don't have an extra one of these caps that has a gauge on it, unfortunately. They're all clouded over. But if I can make this gas gauge work, or if it's just disconnected somewhere, it'd be pretty nice. So I was wondering, I had a whole bunch of wires right here, which I could see, but I couldn't see them where it went up on top of the tank. So I'm going to take a minute, see if I can fix it. Okay, good news. The gas gauge does appear to work. It's currently in the off position. As you can see, it's taking out the tanks off the side. I gotta leave it off to the side anyways to do my wiring. But it's the bulb just above the battery. Let me see if I can get it to turn on. You might be able to see it, might not. But off, on, off. So good news is it's working. So now I got to rearrange my dashboard right here. I wish I had a new one of these pieces right here. If anyone knows where I can get something like this, I need a battery light, gas gauge light, PTO, and oil pressure. And you're spraying this way too far. So I need something with 4 selections in it. If anyone knows of anything that will work, that would be a replacement. If it's bigger, not a big deal. But this one here is kind of melted from using these little incandescent bulbs. But good news is the sender works, the wiring works. Just got to put the bulb in place and go from there. Talk to them later. Please keep right next like always, and push drum comment.